Hello and welcome. Today David and I are going to give you all of the compelling reasons why you should trust TechDry and only TechDry to treat your salt damp issues.
We've been around now for over 30 years and we've completed over 30,000 projects.
We've been trusted on projects like Ayers House,
Government House,
Martindale Hall,
many buildings and projects throughout South Australia.
We're passionate about South Australia. I'm a Crows supporter.
There's no job that's too big or too small. We can treat everything from your little toilets up to the biggest castles.
And we're also passionate about the community. We sponsor lots of sporting clubs and local charities.
We'll come out and we'll just give you genuine, good, honest, free advice. We're not going to charge you $50 if it doesn't turn out to be any salt damp issues.
No way. We also use an Australian-made and manufactured product that is water-based and odour-free, great for the environment.
We can take care of every stage of your salt damp, right from the treatment, through to the plastering, through the stone and brick and mortar repairs.
And we use qualified tradesmen. These tradesmen are our employees because quality control is really important to us.
Here at TechDry, we pride ourselves on being punctual. We know how important it is for you and for us to be on time, to be there when we say we're going to be there.
And if punctuality is important, so is cleanliness. We treat your home like a castle. It's important that we leave it just the way we found it.
Here at TechDry, we offer a full 30-year guarantee with our system.
And we operate out of an office on Paynham Road, and we've been in that office for nearly 20 years. So you've got somewhere you can go if you're having an issue. We don't operate out of the back of a ute.
And of course, we're fully licensed and fully insured, so we've got you completely covered.
So when it comes to salt damp, don't trust anyone else but TechDry.